Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Anirudh. Now, this is an episode that all of you all are waiting for, and some of you all even hit me up on LinkedIn for this. What are the top 5 skills that are in demand that you should know for data science, especially for the year 2022? Now, 2022, as always, is going to be another beautiful year where the salary trends, the number of job openings in the world of data science are going to skyrocket. So, I hope you guys are excited for these 5 skills. Let's get started. Fantastic. Now, coming to the first skill that you guys should really be working on if you haven't, is to basically understand the business requirements that are out there. Now, if you're freshers or if you're beginners looking forward to getting into the world of data science, just find out all the practical problems around you and try to see how you can solve them. As a person who's a data scientist myself, I can tell you that it is very, very crucial for you guys to ask questions about your data, about a problem, about an application all the time. Now, what will separate you from the rest of the millions of people who will be coming into data science is that you will have to work on the ability to think of multiple solutions to the same problem. Now, as always, one problem will never have one solution. It might have one of the most efficient solutions out there, but apart from that, there are many ways to attack a problem. And if you actually work on this skill where you know how to approach a problem and bring forth multiple solutions to it, trust me, a lot of people are definitely going to be interested in what it is that you have to offer. And this, I believe, is very, very important. Now, a lot of people are going to tell you learn Python, learn R, learn data analytics. Yes, do all of that. But along with that, people tend to sideline all of these, and I don't think it will work in your favor. So, it is very important as a skill that you know how to read business requirements and how to bring your own creativity and logic to the same. Done. So let's quickly take a look at skill number 2. Skill number 2 is regression and classification. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you one thing, be it 2021, 2022, or the years ahead, people will expect you to know machine learning if you are in the world of data science. Regression and classification are a critical part of machine learning, which will help you get towards predictive modeling. Now, predictive modeling is very simply you taking the data at hand, either past data or present data, and trying to predict what happens in the future, be it the sales of a product, be it the weather, be it the marketing budget that the company has to go for. So, if you have ever worked on these projects where you are trying to showcase a high performance application and you go to an employer to tell that, hey, here's your mission critical requirement, with this, you can either make or break your product, and I have a machine learning algorithm that's going to predict exactly what will happen if you provide the data to me. And this kind of a high performance, high critical model will definitely take you a long way in the world of data science. And this is a skill that you need to work on, understanding how you can find these extremely critical problems and then start working on it, focusing on it, and honing in on that. Now, while working on these, three critical skills will come into the picture, which is basically data preparation, model tuning, and model evaluation. Data preparation will talk about how you can work with the data pipeline in a structured fashion, the data engineering side of things. And then with model tuning, you will find out everything you need to know about hyperparameter tuning. How do you get the model to perform better and better as and when it sees new data? And of course, in terms of model evaluation as well, you will find methodologies of how you can get towards not only just getting your model to work well, but about if it can solve the problem at hand completely, or will you have to do something else to bring a complete solution. So all of these skills are super important. Take a look at skill number 3. Skill number 3 is for all of you guys, all of you beginners, all of you people who are jumping from another domain to data science. Now, if you are a person like me who loves mathematics, who absolutely loves statistics, it is very easy to get bogged down with theory. You can know how each algorithm works by putting in all the formulas, by writing in all the equations, by doing everything on paper. But guess what? Data science careers are super fast paced right now. People will, especially employers, will care more about what it is that you have built rather than the amount of theory that you guys will know. So, what do? make sure that you have a good amount of hands-on experience, not just the theory part of it. People will not ask you how linear regression will work. People will ask you how you can use linear regression to go about solving their problem. So make sure you have the hands-on experience and work on the practical aspect of things. It is very important to learn the theory as well as a beginner, but once you finish through all of that, you'll be breezing through the practical aspect of things. And skills such as data analysis and skills such as data visualization will take the center stage here, because it will not only talk about how well you can handle the data, but it will also talk about how well you can convey the data to someone else. So make sure that you're working on the practical aspect of things. Make sure you're working on solving the actual problem rather than just learning and mugging up the theory behind data science. Now, we spoke about data visualization in the previous skill. Well, here's a very, very important skill that again, people do not really figure out how to go about doing, or they don't spend a lot of time, and it will not help you guys. It will work against you in the long run. See, data science is all about taking in a lot of data, performing some analysis, and producing a result which is usable by your team or by your client or someone else. Now, you are a data scientist who knows how to work with the most complex algorithms that we have today. But guess what? You can be a person who can work on amazing, accurate, you can build the most accurate machine learning models. But if you cannot convey this to someone else, people really will not understand what it is that you're trying to say. People will not figure you out even though you have beautiful solutions at hand. So this is a very severely undervalued skill, and this skill of how you can build a story, of how you can convey the concepts, convey the data, convey the result to someone else, is exactly what separates a good data scientist from a great one. So if you want to become not just a good data scientist, but a really great data scientist, and you want to jump through your job roles, you want to jump through higher up the corporate ladder, and you want to get amazing raises, and you want to increase your salary by multiple folds, trust me, if you're very good with your storytelling skills, and not just storytelling as in random storytelling, but storytelling with your data. Take a complex piece of data, explain it in a very simple manner, and trust me, people will flock to you as a data scientist, and you will be the person solving all of their problems. And when you're the person solving a lot of problems, trust me, you're going to get paid really well for it. Fantastic. Now, after the storytelling skills, another key skill, especially for the year 2022, is working on your SQL skills. Let me tell you how the world of data science went through in the year 2021. This year and next year, a lot of people are actually looking forward to hiring a full stack data scientist. Now, who is a full stack data scientist? A full stack data scientist is one who can not only just write machine learning algorithms and give you answers, but he or she has the capability to work everything right from data ingestion, the data engineering side of things, data analysis, data visualization. And even if you can do all of these to a small basic extent, again, this is what will step your salary apart from all the other people. If someone else is making 20 lakhs per annum, being a full stack data scientist, you can be breezing through 35, 36 lakhs per annum very, very easily, right? So it's not just that you know how to solve a problem, but you also know how you can understand the data pipelines, and how you can also use your own result to build impactful reports and show that, hey, with a very good dashboard, you don't have to say, I want a data analyst to help me with my work. You are your own data analyst, and to help you climb the ladder faster, if you can do the job of two people, and if you're an expert in this, it will not take you twice the amount of time it would take. Of course, why do you think people will not be interested in hiring you, right? So this is a very, very, very important skill that you guys need to understand. Just start working on SQL, start understanding the data management, the data inventory side of things, and you'll be breezing through the analysis part, as you would already know. And with these skills, definitely there's a lot more things that you're gonna have to add on and learn. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, that way you won't miss any further episodes. I have a lot of these episodes planned out for you guys, so a lot more content on data science, machine learning, Python programming, data structures are coming your way. So make sure you guys show me your support by taking a second to hit the like button. And if you definitely want to see more of these, the subscribe button is yours to click right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning on this quick episode of Learn with Anirudh. Have a great day, work on these skills, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.